Hi, welcome to Real Estate Tutorial. In today's lesson, I'll be taking us through Google Spreadsheets. Google Spreadsheet is an essential application in Google Workspace, and it is also very important to Real Estate. It is important that when you're working on your various tasks, you use Google Spreadsheet as when needed. Now, I'm going to show you how to use Google Spreadsheets. Is Google Spreadsheet. When you get a new Google Spreadsheet, you have to ensure that you change the title, change it to what document you're working on or what task you're working on so that it will be easy identified. Now, if you're working on a budget, let's say you're working on a budget for the next 6 months and you're asked to give us a spreadsheet on it, you can use Google Sheets to do that. Now, to add other sheets for each month, you click on Add Sheets and now you see you've added a sheet. You can come here and fill for the month of June. You can keep adding more sheets depending on what you may want. Please ensure when you're using Google Spreadsheets, it is always presentable. It has to be presentable to everyone seeing it, right? Now, if you watch the video on Google Doc, and you obviously have to do the same thing here. It obviously applies. This is how to move to folders, this is how to save, and this is how to make emphasis on this document. You can as well add comments to this document just like the Google Doc. Now you can see you can also add your team member working on this particular task with you. You can also do the same thing as I showed you earlier on about sharing. So you can ensure that you save the name first, save, and now you can notice now what I showed you earlier on Google Doc, restricted. You can move to anyone with this link, and I can as well add people to this and then send them a message if I need be. I can also make this person a viewer or a commenter. And at the end of it, I click on send. This is how to use Google Spreadsheets.